Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by connecting hardware. Plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and power it with the included USB cable or a 5V/1A adapter. Once done, switch your TV to that HDMI input so you see the Chromecast welcome screen. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi you plan to use and have the network name and password ready. This saves time and prevents interruptions when the setup asks to verify devices and join the network. You open the Google Home app and tap the plus icon to add a new device. This is how your phone discovers the Chromecast. Grant the app location and Bluetooth permissions so discovery works smoothly, then confirm the 4-character code shown on TV matches your phone. Next, choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Name the device for easy casting. Allow any automatic firmware update. This ensures compatibility with apps and fixes early bugs before you start casting. You finish by testing casting. Open YouTube or Netflix, tap the cast icon, and choose your Chromecast to begin streaming. Once connected, customize ambient mode, guest access, and device name in Google Home so it behaves how you want. Make sure apps and the phone are on the same Wi-Fi when casting. If something goes wrong, restart the Chromecast by unplugging power for 10 seconds and plugging it back in. This simple reset clears most connection glitches and forces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.